Hi, today we discuss same series which we are discussing since 3 videos, preparation on the day of IGC exam. So if you check my previous 3 video on the same series, so you can understand now what is NEBOSH, why it is important, and what is the certifications of NEBOSH, what is IGC. So regarding IGC, first 3 videos, hopefully you can see in my video. If not, the link in my video description. So make sure you check these videos. So all videos related to IGC, you will be aware what's happening in IGC. So we start with the preparation on the day of IGC exam before attempting. So on the day of your NEBOSH exam, it is important to approach the situation calmly and strategically. Here is how to prepare yourself before you start the exam. Morning routine. Get enough sleep. Ensure you have had good night's sleep. Rest is crucial for concentration and mental clarity. Healthy breakfast. Eat a balanced breakfast that provides sustained energy. Avoid heavy or greasy foods that might make you feel sluggish, including fruits, whole grains, and proteins. Hydration. Drink enough water to stay hydrated, but avoid excessive amount right before the exam to prevent discomfort. And the final review, quick revision. Spend about 30 to 60 minutes on the final review of key points and concepts. Focus on summaries, notes, or flashcards rather than trying to learn new material. Avoid cramming. Don't try to cram new information. This can lead to the confusion and increase stress. Trust the preparation you have done so far. Mental preparation. Relaxation technique. Practice deep breathing or brief meditation to calm your nerves. Can also help picture yourself succeeding in the exam. Positive mindset. Keep a positive attitude. Remind yourself if that you prepared well and are ready to exam. Confidence is a key. Gather material. Check requirement. Make sure you have everything you need for exam, including your ID or any other identification required by the exam center. Pens, pencil, razor, or other allowed stationery. But no, this exam is open book exam, and on your computers. You have to write on your computers, laptops. So make sure you have a good laptop, good preparation of your laptops. You already download the exam papers, and you have proper electricity. Your laptop's computer is charged. Everything is well to write the exam. A quiet room where you can sit in the room quietly and you can write and focus on your exam paper. So make sure in a good internet, so you already download what you need to download. And as this is open book exam, if you want to refer anywhere from any books or anything, so it's handy on your laptop or on your desktop with you. A bottle of water. It is also important you have a bottle of water. Pack the night before to avoid last minute stress. Gather your materials and pack them into the night before. So your laptop, your desktop, your quiet room, everything should be ready before one day. And if you are writing the exam on the exam center due to any reason, then make sure the time management, you reach on time and you well aware about your location of your exam, because some institute also offering the exam, you can write in the institute if required. Then very important is understand the exam format. Exam instructions. Carefully read any instruction provided with the exam. Make sure you understand the format. how to submit your answer, especially for online exam, and the time allocations. Time allocation: plan your time. For instance, if you have 2 hours and 4 questions, aim to spend around 30 minutes per question. Allocate a few minutes at the end for review, which is very important. Mindful entry into the exam. Stay calm as you begin. Take a moment to settle your nerves. Take a deep breath and focus on the task at hand. Read questions carefully. Read each question carefully and make sure you understand what is being asked before you start writing. Pay special attention to command words like describe, explain, or outlines. Make sure you read 2 to 3 times your scenario. Which scenario provide you in the exam, make sure you read that scenario very carefully and you well aware about the scenario. Okay, because all questions related to the scenario, and you have to reply all question according to the scenario. ILO and other HSC UK, this is helpful resources, but you have to answer according to your scenario. So scenario always in your mind before you read or write any answer. So during the exam, pace yourself, keep an eye on the time, but avoid rushing. Work steadily and methodically through each question. Answer the question, stick to what the question is asking for. Avoid adding irrelevant information. If you make irrelevant information, because you have to answer in specific words, you have words limit in IGC exam, so you have to stick with that limit. So if you add irrelevant information, your word quota is filled and you not answer what you need to be answered. Review your work. If times allow, review answer, check for any missed question, ensure you answer or complete and correct any obvious error. And make sure you attend all questions, you answer all questions. This is very, very important. By following these steps, you will be in a strong position to perform your best on IGC exam.